everybody. Today, Tanya is going down to write her learner's license for her motorcycle. So I wanted to document this, and we're going to be taking the Yamaha down, leaving the Harley at home, because our roads have that salt stuff all over them, and I don't really want to get the salt all over the Harley. So Yamaha it is. Okay, how you feeling?
Annoyed I can get my... Oh, there we go. Good. I'm feeling good.
Okay, you're gonna do great, hon.
Oh, I know. I've been acing all the practice tests.
Let's get our stuff. That's all I need right there. Oh, that's a beautiful machine. Just to let you know, it's January the 25th today in Parksville, British Columbia, and the temperature is about 4 degrees.
Not yet, it isn't. It's only 2 right now. Ooh, look at those mountains. Wait, Joe, why is it facing me?
Huh?
Why is it facing me?
Because you're just holding it on.
I'm such a dork.
Hey, so we're here. Auto plan, driver's licensing. Yay.
You want to catch my awesome helmet hair?
Yeah. I'm gonna go in here.
Okay, but no videoing inside.
I know, we gotta stop videoing before you go in. But yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Tanya,
If I can.
smile. Hi everybody. Guess who just passed her learners to ride a motorcycle? Yay.
Yay.
Congratulations.
Mwah.
So-
I just kinged you with my helmet.
Today will be the first day that she is going to actually try to ride a motorcycle.
We'll see about that.
It's gonna happen. Okay, we'll see you later. Tanya has passed her learners. Yay! So she's gonna attempt to ride the bike for the first time today.
Maybe. Let me learn where everything is first.
Go ahead and get on it.
Ta-da.
Okay.
Oh, that feels weird. I'm so used to the back seat.
Say bye. I'll see you in a little bit.
See you in a bit. I started the bike! That's fun.
Okay. I want you now to put the bike up off of its kickstand. So don't put the kickstand up. I just want you to, as if you're gonna put the kickstand up, okay?
Okay, maybe shut that off
No.
first. Yeah.
Bring it up. Okay, you're finding that heavy?
I got it.
Okay, put it back down on the kickstand. Something to do, if it's too heavy for you, it's too much of a lean, turn these handlebars. Go ahead and turn them
Yeah.
all the way that way. Turn it. Turn, there you go. Now bring it up. See how it's a little bit lighter?
Not really.
Okay.
It's because I didn't have my foot down on the ground the first time.
Bring it, put it down. Turn it all the way. Now bring it up.
Oh yeah, that's easier.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So if you're finding it heavy, that's what you do, and you put them back to balance the bike out. So put them back. You don't want to drop the bike. There you go. Bring it up off the kickstand. You think you can hold it?
You might want to put that down just in case. I'm holding it.
Okay. Put the kickstand up. Good job. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to have you do is pull on the clutch. Engage the clutch. Put it in first gear. That's toe. Put the toe down. Yeah, press down. You're in first gear now. When you do not release the clutch.
No, I go. I don't want to go.
Now, you do want to go. That's the whole purpose of this.
No, I'm not ready to go because I don't
Yes,
know
you
how
are.
to stop.
You stop as your brake. Over there. But you engage the clutch and the bike's going to stop.
You might want to put that down because
I can't do
might need you to
anything.
come rescue me.
Listen, you're good. What I want you to do now is slowly release the clutch until you feel that friction zone. When you feel the bike wanting to go forward, pull the clutch back in. Pull it back in. It's okay, you're just idling. If anything, it would die.
Not doing anything.
Yeah, you have to keep releasing it. You're nowhere near the friction zone. There you go. Bring it back in. That's the beginning of the friction zone.
I moved like half an inch. Woo.
Okay. Now you can keep your feet down. I want you to let go of the clutch, move ahead a bit with the bike, and then bring the clutch back in.
I'm moving.
Now bring it back in. Good job. I want you to do that again. That scared you, right? What you
me. It
did?
didn't scare me. It startled me.
What you did is you let the clutch out too fast.
I stalled.
You're not giving it, and I didn't tell you to give any throttle yet because I don't want you to take off and
I
crash.
didn't.
I know. So the next thing you're going to learn is a little bit of throttle. Okay, so now you're in first gear. To start the bike, it won't start unless you pull the clutch in. So pull the clutch in. You have everything else on. All you got to do is hit the starter.
But I'm not neutral.
It's okay.
Okay.
Hit the starter. No, that's, yeah. A little bit
Oh,
longer.
right. Just gotta hold it down.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright. Bike goes up. Kickstand up. Clutch in. Good.
Nice and wide. She can't hear me. Hopefully she doesn't take it too sharp on the corner. Okay, give it a little bit of throttle. A little bit of throttle. Okay, practice stopping. Stopping. That's not stopping. Good job. I said to practice stopping though.
Oh, I thought you said to give it some throttle.
I said stop.
Oh, I didn't
Back
hear you.
here, practice stopping.
Oh.
Okay, when
Well,
you
I
give it
did
throttle,
stop.
you need to have the clutch in a bit.
A little
and then
bit more?
release.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, I think I'm good for now, though. Bye for now.
Till next time.
Until next time.